In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach a file to an assignment in Google Classroom. If you're a student navigating the digital world of online learning, you know how crucial it is to seamlessly manage your assignments, including attaching files when necessary. Whether it's a written essay, a presentation, or any kind of personal project, Google Classroom offers a user-friendly platform where you can easily make these submissions. Let's begin with the process. First, open your browser and go to classroom.google.com. Make sure you are logged in with your Google account. If you have multiple accounts, double check that you're using the one linked to your classroom. Once you're comfortably signed in, you'll see a dashboard displaying all your classes. Click on the class where your assignment is due. Now this will bring you to the specific class page where you'll find a few tabs at the top: Stream, Classwork, and People. Head over to the Classwork tab. This is where all your assignments are neatly organized. Browse through the list until you find the assignment you need to complete. Click to open it. Now you're getting closer. You should see a button that says View Your Work. Click on that and it will take you directly to the assignment submission page. Underneath the section labeled Your Work, there's an Add or Create button, clearly visible and waiting for your action. Click on it. Here is the part where you choose how you want to attach a file. Google Classroom gives you flexibility. You can attach a file directly from your Google Drive, allowing you to share documents stored there. Alternatively, if your work involves online research or a helpful resource, you can attach a URL by clicking the link option. You have a file option to upload directly from your physical device if you have a file stored locally. Lastly, you can create a new Google Doc, slide, sheet, or drawing right on the spot if your assignment involves creating content from scratch. This versatility ensures that no matter where your work is stored or created, Google Classroom has you covered. Now with your file successfully attached, it's time to submit your work. Look for the Turn In button. This action confirms to your teacher that you've completed your side of the assignment. If the assignment does not require files but still needs submission confirmation, click Mark as Done. Once you click Turn In, a confirmation window will pop up. Click Turn In again for final submission assurance, and that's it. You've attached and submitted your assignment in Google Classroom effortlessly. By following these steps, you can assure accuracy and timely submissions of all your academic work. Keeping up with digital learning doesn't have to be complicated once you familiarize yourself with these intuitive processes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials.